Okay, the track is inlaid. The track is inlaid. And what else? I filled this hole, and this color's a little darker. We're going to get this color, and then I'm going to need to finagle a couple shingles under there. I need one 9-inch. I need two 9-inches, and I'll split them in half. Maybe I'll leave them in one piece because this is going over the top. Make a better watertight seal. All right, two shingles at least 9 inches wide, nice and smooth. We got to saturate them with this color both sides and then nail them in.